Like, what is wrong with us? And it's making me so mad. It's making me so mad. What can we do as people who is on the outside looking in? What can we do is just pray that one day this world will be kind. Hi faves, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day here, and as I'm about to head out, there's so much going through my head, there's so much going through my mind. As a matter of fact, there's so much going through my mind since last night, and I've been just wanting to talk about it. I've been talking to Babe about it this morning, but it just keeps bothering me and bothering me. When will enough be enough? This school shooting, it just breaks my heart into a million pieces. This morning I was talking to Babe and I just break out crying, and now I'm talking to you guys and I can feel the emotions coming. I remember when it all started some years ago, when it really started getting bad with Sandy Hook shooting, elementary school. And since then I had kids of my own, and I cannot imagine sending Tyler and Sarah to school at any given day and something like this happened. Like, I don't even have the words, like how those parents feel. You take up a gun and you shoot babies, like make it make sense. Not just one, not just two, but 19 parents have to go to school and hear that they're not going home with their kids. Like, that doesn't make no sense at all to me. And I had to look at Tyler this morning, and I had to look at Sarah this morning, and I'm like, Lord, just cover them each day that they go out, because it's just crazy. Like, how can human beings be so heartless? Like, make it make sense to me. You want to tell me that that young man, not even young man, that person, parents, friends, family, saw no sign of even mental illness, saw no sign of anything? What are you doing with a gun at 18 years old? What's your purpose of having more than one gun, or even one gun at home at 18 years old? Yeah! What kind of parent allow their kids to have a gun at 18 years old? Okay, so then your parents didn't allow it. What's your reason for wanting a gun at 18 years old? You had to let yourself go to that extreme for you to shoot babies. If it's a case where you want to go out, you want to go to wherever it is that you think your final resting place or destination will be, why not just do it to yourself if you want to do it? If you think that you're not gonna seek help and you think that that's your way out, why not do it to yourself? Like, leave the kids alone. Leave people alone. What is wrong with us as human beings? And the people in the United States who can at least eliminate some of these things that's happening. It might not stop completely, but the gun laws, if something is done, it can eliminate, at least limit the amount of school shooting. Because It just need one to start the trend, and everybody just think it's cool all of a sudden to go shoot up school, especially elementary school where the kids are so innocent and defenseless. I have 2 kids in elementary school. I have 2 kids in little school. Like, they can't do anything for themselves more than being innocent. What is wrong with us as a nation, as people? Like, what is wrong with us? And it's making me so mad. It's making me so mad. What can we do as people who is on the outside looking in? What can we do is just pray that one day this world will be kind. That one day people just be kind to one another. We just have to pray for each other, because we cannot live like this. I'm sure this is not the purpose that Almighty sent us on this world to fulfill. It cannot be. It just cannot be. It just cannot be. It just doesn't make any sense at all to me. It's just sad. And this morning, parents waking up, looking in their kids' room like no kids coming home. Babies. That's what hit me the most, because I have 2 babies. I can't imagine one day, God forbid, anything to happen to Tyler and Sarah at school. The hurt that I would feel if I'm feeling this hurt, and it doesn't hit me directly. Like, just the thought of thinking about those parents just bring me into a million pieces. Say good morning. Anyway, you guys, I just wanted to get that out. I didn't mean to come on here and cry, but you guys just help me pray for the world. Help me pray for this world, because God see and know that. That's the only thing can help us right now. Anyway, you guys, this vlog is turning out to something that I didn't expect it to be, but I needed to get that out. I am heading out on the road right now, and Almighty God cover us as we go out into this world, because anything can happen when you leave your home. And I send protection and love to each and every single one of you who watching that is venturing out into the street, leaving the comfort of your home to go out. You never know what is going to happen when you step out. Each day when you step out, just cover yourself, cover your family, because anything can happen. I am stepping out right now. I'm stepping out by grace, and I'm stepping out in faith that each day we step out into the world, that we'll be okay, we'll be covered, we'll be protected. And I'm stepping out to take Tyler to training right now, so I'll catch you guys on the way. Have a good day, have an amazing day, stay safe, and I'll catch you guys throughout the rest of today. Ty, come on, let's go. Come on, come say good morning to Faves.
Why are you crying?
Because something really bad happened in USA yesterday. A really bad guy used a gun and shoot up a school, and 19 kids died. And it really hurt, Mama. Come say good morning to Faves. My babies. Whew. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Bye. Alright, ready for training?
Yes.
Let's go. Tata, I want to give you a hug. No. Alright, let's go. Go put on your bag tie. I had to leave the house before I could really finish talking to you guys this morning about the whole US shooting thing. I was even thinking, like, I have cousins, I have family, I have friends in the USA. Like, I'd be devastated if any of this happened to any of my friends or any of my family members. It would just crush me into 1,000,001 pieces. But I guess it's life, and what can we do about it except from pray, since nothing else has been done really. But yeah, I think I should stop talking about it before I continue getting emotional. So I am at training with Tyler right now, and Sarah is making use of this trampoline. Tyler is getting ready to go around the track, so we are heading to my spot over there. How many times are you gonna tell them good morning? Yeah? And you know she's making use of it. Before Tyler training begins, then we don't have to, but I'll leave to the other side, or else Sarah will stop going in the way. Hey, jumping. You're jumping. My baby finished training and we didn't get to see him running. Was good?
Yes.
Yeah, you had fun?
Yes.
That's most important, right? Right. Tyler should have competition coming up soon. I don't think it's Monday coming, I think it's the other Monday after that.
Monday?
Not Monday, the other Monday, because it's going to be a holiday. Hi there, you guys. I have been back long time ago off the road and took even a nap. The sun ain't playing outside, huh? The sun is so hot. You just have to nap when you get out of that sun if you can, because it's no joke. It's actually almost dinner time right now. Time to see what's for dinner. So far I've decided on green beans and shrimp. I don't know what else I'm going to go with that, but I'll figure it out as the time goes by. I'm cooking, I'm also cleaning up a bit because I haven't done any of that. Not today. Probably do some curry shrimp. So if I'm doing curry shrimp, which means I should do some rice. Haha. There we go. Juice. You see my melon, my watermelon my watermelon. Yes, Sarah. Wait, Mama is speaking. You wait, okay? Okay. I am going to make some. I'm gonna make some juice. My watermelon is I buy at the supermarket. It's still here. I have some other fruits that I need to put in the fridge. So I'm gonna. Yes, Mama is gonna make juice. I'm gonna put everything in my juicer. A nice jug of natural juice. Look at it.
Green juice. Green juice.
Stop jumping in the couch, please. Watermelon, cucumber, apple, cantaloupe, ginger and citron, lemon. Dancing man behind the camera. You guys, juice is finished and I'm gonna test it. Let's see.
No. I think I should test it.
Come.
You
Yes,
already tested it.
Turn so the camera can see your facial expression. Come, Sarah, come for some. That's how you test it? My gosh.
Cucumber strong, too strong.
What is wrong with you? You don't even taste. What is wrong with him? He doesn't like nothing healthy, this man.
Guys,
Come up,
you
Sarah.
are
Come taste it.
witness of the situation. I said the cucumber is strong. She said I don't like nothing. Did I say I don't like? Did I say I don't like?
You guys, the battery died when Babe was telling me about the juice. Come, Sarah. Okay, it's here. Okay, calm down. Ready?
Ready?
Here.
And give.
Take time. Do some more. Say thank you, Mama.
Thank you. Thank you.
Tyler, come here. She don't want to help her. Put the straw in. Come and taste this juice.
It's new, brand new.
It's a lot of fruits mixed together.
I'm gonna try
Come.
to guess
Go
what.
for your step. Yes, you're gonna try and guess and tell me what kind of juice fruit Mama put in it.
Guess how many?
Come taste it first and then you tell me.
I can tell you how many.
Come, drink. And tell me if you like it.
Green juice.
When you say green juice, what do you mean?
There's some green juice in it.
No, there's some green in it though. Well, my kids are enjoying it.
Ginger.
Ginger, yes. Well, the cup almost finished. Tyler is sucking it out, so almost don't get none.
Strawberry.
No.
What make it come?
What make it red?
Yeah.
Aha! Which other fruit is red that could go in it apart from strawberry? Think red fruit. Oh my gosh, it finished. Let me refill the cup. It finished. Ty, wait, let me refill the cup.
It's too good.
Okay, so the kids take over that one. I have to find one for myself. Ty, what do you think else is in it?
Blueberry.
Blueberry? No, it's not blue. Okay, let me tell you what's in it. Melon,
Yeah.
apple,
Ah.
cucumber,
Cucumber. Yeah.
cantaloupe,
Yes.
ginger,
I had said ginger.
lemon.
I had said ginger.
Yeah, you're right. I told you yes. Lemon and
Oh,
that's it.
You didn't say no red fruit.
Melon, watermelon.
Oh, okay. But it's very good.
See, my kids will enjoy this because they love green juice. Not that it's green, but it tastes natural, so they'll enjoy that. Look, I refill the glass and they finish it. Ty, careful, you feel sick. You're drinking too much. Oh my gosh, he drank almost full glass. Don't drink anymore, Ty. That's a big glass. You're gonna feel like you want to vomit after. I'm gonna put it in the fridge for you so you have it tomorrow. Okay? Honey, you see your kids drink 2 glasses and you don't even sip a good sip?
No, but I test it, so I test when I test. I don't take the entire, I just test.
They can't see your face. I want them to see your face right now. Here, Sarah said, Mama, pour juice. You don't like to bother him. Sarah, juice finish. More? Finish?
No.
You want more or finish? Okay.